Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build 23475, which is released to the dev channel. Starting with this build, and talking about what's new in this build, firstly we have modernized File Explorer Home and Address Bar. Now that File Explorer is powered by Windows App SDK, Microsoft is introducing a modernized File Explorer Home powered by WinUI. Recommended files for users signed into Windows with an Azure Active Directory (AAD) account will be displayed as a carousel, and support file thumbnails, which is coming soon. Quick access folders, available by default for users signed into Windows with a Microsoft account. Favorites, and recent also bring in an updated experience with WinUI. Also introducing a modernized address bar and search box to File Explorer. The new address bar intelligently recognizes local versus cloud folders with built-in status. For OneDrive users, you'll notice the address bar now contains your OneDrive sync status and quota flyout. Moving forward, we have dynamic lighting. Dynamic lighting provides Windows users and developers with native control of lighting devices implementing the Open Headlamp Array standard. By adopting an open standard, and by working with OEM and ODM partners, Microsoft seeks to improve the RGB device and software ecosystem for users by increasing interoperability of devices and apps. Several device manufacturers including Acer, Asus, HP, HyperX, Logitech, Razer, and Twinkly have partnered with Microsoft on dynamic lighting. So, these were the new things introduced to this build. Moving forward and talking about the changes and improvements. In general, the feature where Windows now detects if the user is interacting with TOS or not, and provides a suggestion to turn the TOS banners off for such apps that began rolling out with build 23466 is now available to all Windows insiders in the dev channel. For emoji, the Unicode emoji 15 is beginning to roll out to Windows insiders in the dev channel. Users will now be able to see, search for and insert new emoji from the emoji panel. Here are a few of emoji 15 designs, which include more hearts, animals, and one new smiley face. So, these were the changes and improvements made in this build. Moving forward and talking about the fixes. For taskbar and system tray, fixed an issue where the taskbar may not have shown the correct apps when using multiple desktops. For search on the taskbar, fixed the issue where narrator customers were unable to navigate down the left side panel of the search flyout. For the start menu, fixed an issue where when using a Japanese display language, sometimes apps with names written in kanji would all show at the bottom of the all apps list, rather than displayed alongside hiragana and katakana app names. For notifications, fixed an issue where certain notifications were leading to an Explorer.exe crash. For input, rolling out the fix for an issue where the Korean touch keyboard sometimes finalizes characters unexpectedly in the search flyout on the taskbar. For backup and restore, backups of a PC that was set up using a restore will now show up in subsequent restores. Restore of solid color desktop backgrounds is now supported. Lastly, talking about the other fixes, fixed issues that were causing voice access commands for moving settings sliders and selecting things on the taskbar to fail. So that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.